We're here at Mack Trucks to answer the question, what's so cool about manufacturing? This company was founded in the 1900s in Brooklyn, New York. They moved to the Lehigh Valley in 1905 and have been here ever since.
Their facility is over 1 million square feet, and it was designed to produce 50 trucks a day. This facility employs 2,300 hardworking people who work together to make the iconic Mack trucks.
Mack does a test on each truck. They take the trucks into what is called a dyno. The dyno tests out how much horsepower the truck has so the customer buying the truck has the right specifications for long-haul trucks like tractor trailers or for garbage trucks.
Their most recent production is called the Anthem. Anthem, which again is Mack Truck's newest truck, has many reasons as to why it was built, but the main one is that it gives drivers more control and more comfort as they drive for many hours or even days. The Anthem now allows drivers to be able to stand up in the cab, and still has the features that made Mack Trucks a favorite of drivers for all of these years.
As cool as these trucks are, what really stuck out to us were the employees. We asked some of the Mack Truck employees what they loved most about working here. Many said the people. These people are the ones who make this company a great place to work and a friendly environment.
Probably the people and also the variation of the job.
Heritage, pride.
I think that's prideful.
Pride, the work we put into this, see them on the road, knowing that we did that.
I think that manufacturing is really cool. Okay, I find it's fascinating every day.
Mack Truck employs a lot of people, but it still has that family-like culture to it. There are so many different tasks to perform to ensure that each vehicle rolls off the line is exactly what the customer wants.
A great atmosphere and really cool technologies truly make manufacturing cool at Mack.